In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot not working in Windows 11. If Copilot doesn't show up, won't open, isn't responding, or looks disabled, follow along and we'll walk through a clean checklist to get it working again. First, make sure your Windows 11 is up to date and that Copilot is available for your region and edition. Copilot is rolling out gradually, so even on a supported device, it might not appear until the rollout reaches you. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Install everything offered, including optional feature updates if they show up. Windows may ask for a restart. Let it finish and sign back in. If after updating you still don't see Copilot and you know your device is up to date, it may simply not be available in your area or edition yet, and you'll need to wait for the broader rollout. Next, confirm you're signed in with a Microsoft account, not a local account. Copilot relies on that sign-in to work properly. Open Settings, choose Accounts, then Your Info. If you see that you're using a local account, switch to a Microsoft account by selecting the option to sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Follow the prompts, and once you're signed in, give Windows a moment to sync your account and try Copilot again. If Copilot still won't appear or open, reinstall or enable it through the Microsoft Store, since Copilot is now a separate app in Windows 11. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Copilot, then select Install or Reinstall. When it finishes, open it from the store or search for it from Start. To keep it handy, right-click the Copilot icon and pin it to your taskbar so it's easy to find later. If you don't see the icon, try launching Copilot using the keyboard shortcut. Press Windows key plus C to bring it up directly. If nothing happens, the reinstall from the store often resolves that missing launch behavior, so run through that step and try the shortcut again. Finally, if Copilot still feels stuck, do a full shutdown and restart. Sometimes Windows holds on to UI elements in the background. Open the Start menu, click the power button, hold the Shift key, and click Shut Down. Wait a few seconds, power the device back on, sign in, and try Copilot again. Work through these steps in order, and you should have Copilot back on track. If it's still missing after all of this, it's likely due to regional or edition availability, so keep Windows updated and check back periodically.